Good morning. This is X-Pulse AI Morning Mix. It's Saturday, March 14th, 2026. Today, Atlassian's big restructure to bankroll AI, Sam Altman on the labor shock, and fresh money pouring into AI video, plus a few fast hits. Orion's here with me. You ready?
Ready, let's jump in.
The Guardian reported on March 12th that Atlassian is laying off about 1,600 people, around 10%, to restructure and fund an AI push. Orion, what did Atlassian say they're optimizing for?
They framed it as shifting skill needs driven by AI, plus a heavier focus on enterprise sales. Co-founder Mike Cannon-Brookes positioned the reorg as a way to self-fund bigger AI investment rather than leaning on outside capital.
Is this basically AI savings pay for AI spend?
That's the tension. Companies are compressing costs in older workflows, then reinvesting into AI product, data, and go-to-market. It can be financially rational and still painful, especially when it's a talent reshuffle, not just belt-tightening.
What should listeners watch for from Atlassian after a move like this?
Two signals: whether their AI features actually reduce the work of running Jira and Confluence, and whether they win bigger enterprise rollouts. Restructures buy time, they don't buy product-market fit.
Fortune wrote on March 12th that OpenAI Chief Executive Sam Altman, speaking at BlackRock's Infrastructure Summit, said AI is upending the balance between labor and capital, and nobody knows what to do about it. Orion, what was the core argument?
Altman's point was, when workers can't outwork a GPU, the economic leverage shifts toward compute and whoever owns it. He also said AI has crossed into major economic utility, and that we'll soon trust agents with multi-day or even multi-week tasks.
He also mentioned electricity costs and blame for layoffs, right?
Yes, he acknowledged AI is getting blamed for both job cuts and rising power demand, and he didn't dismiss the disruption. He tied it to OpenAI's push for massive infrastructure, so AI becomes, in his phrase, too cheap to meter.
If agents can run for weeks, what changes first, software or management?
Management, oddly. You need new controls, budgets, permissions, audits, and clear definitions of done. Otherwise, you get the corporate version of a Roomba, busy, confident, and occasionally wedged under the couch.
Axios reported on March 12th, citing Bloomberg, that PixVerse raised $300 million in a Series C led by CDH Investments, valuing it north of $1 billion. Orion, what's notable about this round?
It's another big vote that AI video isn't a novelty anymore. It's a platform play. The investors listed include Antler, iGlobe Partners, and UOB Venture Management. The price tag suggests expectations of serious revenue, not just viral demos.
For people who haven't used PixVerse, what do they do very quickly?
PixVerse is an AI video generator. You prompt it, and it produces short video clips, often stylized, ad-like, or cinematic, aimed at creators and marketing teams. The competition is about motion consistency, controllability, and speed to publish.
Where does a $300 million raise get spent in AI video?
Compute, training data pipelines, and product tooling, like editing controls and brand-safe workflows. Also distribution, partnerships where video generation is embedded inside creative suites. The model is important, but the workflow wins the contract.
Android Central reported on March 12th that Google is rolling out Gemini screen automation on Samsung's Galaxy S26, letting Gemini open and control apps to complete tasks. Orion, what's actually shipping here?
It's a phone agent feature that can operate across apps, tapping, navigating, and chaining steps to finish a task. It builds on earlier demos, but the key change is availability. It's positioned as a real on-device workflow, not just a stage performance.
What's the practical use case that makes this feel real?
Anything that's usually 5 annoying micro steps: booking, form filling, moving info between messages and calendar, updating a shopping cart, filing an expense. If it's reliable, it saves time. If it's flaky, it creates a new category of AI babysitting.
What are the failure modes to watch?
Permissions and misclicks. Users will want clear previews, what it's about to do, and easy undo. The trust hurdle isn't intelligence. It's making sure the agent can't accidentally buy the wrong thing, message the wrong person, or drift off task.
Let's sweep up a few movers, starting with infrastructure. What did we learn about Meta's in-house AI chips?
Tom's Hardware reported March 12th that Meta outlined 4 MTIA accelerator generations, MTIA 300, 400, 450, and 500, aimed at inference in their data centers. MTIA 300 is already in production, and the roadmap stresses quick 6-month-ish iteration with shared rack and software compatibility.
Staying with the plumbing, Axios also had a funding deal in vector search.
Right. Axios reported March 12th that Qdrant raised $50 million in a Series B led by AVP, with Bosch Ventures, Unusual Ventures, Spark Capital, and 42 Capital. Qdrant is an open-source vector search engine, often used for retrieval-augmented generation, where models fetch relevant context before answering.
2 quick ones: a school district blocking ChatGPT and a new way to grade long-horizon assistants. What happened?
Axios Boulder reported March 12th that Boulder Valley School District blocked ChatGPT on school networks, citing student safety concerns tied to pending GPT 5.3 features like chat rooms and an adult mode, while still using Magic School. Also on March 12th, researchers on Archive released LifeSim and LifeSim Eval, simulating users with a belief, desire, intention framework to test personalized assistance over long, coherent interactions. And BTZSC on Archive compares zero-shot text classification across model families, useful for choosing what actually works in production.
If you stitch today together, companies are reshaping org charts to pay for AI, leaders are openly worried about the labor math, and the product frontier is agents that can actually press the buttons for you.
And under all of it, chips, vector databases, and benchmarks, there's a race to make AI cheaper, more reliable, and easier to trust for longer tasks.
That's X-Pulse AI Morning Mix. If this helped, send it to a coworker who's trying to keep up without doom scrolling.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.